Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the Glyph Light isn't working on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. So the Glyph Light, the first quick notice that I want to make is that the Glyph Light is only this one. This one is the flashlight of your device and it's not related to the Glyph interface. So only this LED light should be blinking whenever you receive a notification or an incoming call. And in order to fix the issue, if when it stops working on your phone, first check your Glyph interface, check your ringtones, for example, check this selected ringtone and make sure that the sound only option is disabled, so that your Glyph Light actually shows when you're receiving a ringtone. The same for notifications. Also make sure that your bedtime schedule isn't set to this particular time, which is which for me is for example for me it's 5:24 p.m. and the start time of the bedtime is 4 p.m. On weekdays, and it's weekday now on weekends, and it's a weekend now, so my Glyph Light isn't supposed to be working at all at this time. So make sure that you adjusted your bedtime schedule correctly. And also there is a known bug where the Glyph Light can get stuck or malfunction, especially after some recent updates. In order to fix this issue, the solution that most commonly fixes this issue is the simple restart. So you can also restart your phone. Let's wait until it's restarted. Actually, during the phone restart, I remembered one more thing that you can change in Glyph settings in order to fix this issue. It's the essential notifications, but not exactly them. But if you have Flip to Glyph enabled and you have essential notifications toggle on, you will only receive notifications. Well, when you flip your phone, you will only receive the essential notifications on your device, which could cause this issue. And the last thing that you can also change in order to fix this issue, if it wasn't fixed yet, is going to Apps menu and clearing cache for the apps that are related to the Glyph interface. So the apps you receive notifications from, for example. So let's, for example, go to, I don't know, like messages, notification, then go to storage and cache, and here we have some cache. We can clear the cache and also clear the storage, unless you don't want to lose your message history. And at this point the problem should be resolved. If the problem isn't resolved yet, then then there is a good probability that this is actually a hardware issue rather than a software one. And so in such case you should contact Nothing support and tell them about this problem and see what they can do to help you, and maybe even send your device for them to repair the LED indicator. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.